So Jamaica as a nation released their kit for the 2024 Paris Olympic, and you guys will not believe the reaction they got from some negative fans. And in this video I will be sharing every single detail about the negative reaction towards the new Jamaican look and kit uniform that they were wearing. Now before we continue, in case this happens to be your first time, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. So basically, someone posted on Facebook saying, why do athletes accept to wear such revealing kit? Like, why do Jamaicans athletes accept to wear such revealing kit? Now this guy is called Abdul Semiu from Facebook. He wrote this reference to the Jamaican, that why are they accepting to wear something that is very revealing? Well, I feel like he is actually wrong, because I mean, normally kits are meant to be revealing, you know what I mean? It is normal. Now this guy did not just stop here, he went as far as making another reaction, and I'll be sharing the next reaction. He reacted negatively to the Jamaican new kit uniform for Paris Olympic. Now the next reaction from this guy Abdul Semiu from Facebook, he said again, I don't like the new Jamaican kit. I don't know why this guy is coming after the Jamaicans, but definitely he has a reason for that. Now this guy, I know you might be wondering why does his opinion matters, since he is not relevant, like he is not popular, he is not known. But the fact is that this guy has a page on Facebook that he posts so many things about athletics, and he has a lot of followers. So he posted in an athletic group saying that he does not like the Jamaican new kit, and trust the Jamaicans, because they replied back to him. Yes, I'm saying that in the comment section so many Jamaicans were able to correct him, and I'll be sharing those reactions, because you don't play with Jamaicans, they are not gonna let you go. That's one thing I love about Jamaicans. So after he said he doesn't like the kit, Jamaicans were able to blast him back, and you guys should wait for the reaction, because I will be sharing every single thing here. So before I start with the Jamaican reaction, I will start with another negative comment reaction by some fans. Now this guy, a white man, Curtis Jones, he said, I agree, wondered that myself. Like, he is wondering why Jamaicans were accepted this new kit, because he believes it is also too revealing. So another one reacted saying, the Jamaicans, they know how revealing it is, so they run faster to get done and put on their sweat. Well, this reaction from this Jamaican fan, he said, bad mind active, one love Jamaica, looking great. So this guy is basically literally praising the Jamaican kit, that it is still beautiful as it is. And if you ask me, I will also say it looks beautiful and there is nothing wrong with it. Anyway, my dear track fans, let me hear your opinion in the comment section. Please, I want you to be very genuine about this. Yes.